And hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. I really missed you guys. So for today we have another hair story. I wanted to color my hair purple, at the same time a bit pale, so I think I'm gonna go for maybe like a metallic purple or something. It depends. I really don't know. So we'll see the finished product at the end. So see you. Don't forget to grab your gloves for protection and your stuff. So since I have a little of the silver gray left from the last time I dyed my hair silver, so you can click the video here if you want to guys watch it. Please do watch it. I bought violet hair dye from Derma Corner as well, where I got all of my stuff from. So let's mix it. So I think I'm just gonna be using that much because the amount of hair that I have is also okay. So I'm gonna put in the developer here, and then after a while I'm gonna start putting in the violet hair dye. Okay, scratch that. I think I'm gonna put hair dye here and then see what kind of color I kind of get, because I want it to be pale, not dark, and then put on the developer. Right. Okay, so start putting it. Oh, that's really. You guys see that? I think I'll just put this first and then mix it. So this is how it looks like, and I don't know if that would look good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick with this color. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it now. Here goes nothing. I think I'm gonna try it with a little strand first to see if I like it. Let's see if that looks nice. I think it's fine. I kinda like it. Just make sure that I don't get it on my black roots, because we don't want that hair to, become golden in a way. So I'm gonna wait for this to settle and then maybe apply all. I think I'm gonna need more purple, or that looks fine. Not sure. I'm not sure. But I think I'm gonna go with this, so I'm gonna probably do this off cam so I can finish quicker, and I'll show you guys the aftermath of this one. And this is how it looks like. I kinda like it, but we'll still have to look at it when it's all dried up and washed. So see you guys after a while. Okay, so update. I won't be leaving this on for 30 minutes or more, because I already can see that some part of my black roots are turning brown. I don't know if you guys can see that, and I don't want that. So yeah, I'm gonna be leaving this on for 10 minutes or less. Yep. Oh my god. And whoa. Okay, so I really like the outcome. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely like it. It's metallic purple-ish, and it's amazing. I love it. Although there is brown tones here, if you guys can see that. It's like during the dyeing process, I kind of touched the black roots on the black parts of my hair, and that's why it turned brown. But overall, I really love it. So yeah, there you guys can see the brown tinges, but it's not that visible, so who cares anyway? And yeah, I love it so much. So yeah. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this boring video. I hope you guys, and please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe.